Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this swearing-in segment. And this part of today's ceremony means a whole lot. And the reason why I'm so happy I have 3 doctors here is the fact that we have so many young people that is sitting here today. It means an awful lot, and it says an awful lot. As the Consul General and on behalf of the government of Jamaica, I take this moment to congratulate the person represented here on their wonderful achievement of attaining Jamaican citizenship.